The Philippines is no stranger to natural disasters and the destructive impact of climate change. That is why mitigating existing risks, preventing new ones, and strengthening the nation's socio-economic and environmental resilience continue to be top priorities. This is reflected in the updated National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Plan, or NDRRMP, for 2020 to 2030. One of the key strategies of the plan is to use a science-based approach to risk assessment to improve disaster resilience and climate change adaptiveness. To achieve this, the NDRRMP 2020 to 2030 promotes the use of GeoRiskPH for the latest, most accurate, and efficient risks and hazards assessment. GeoRiskPH is a multi-agency initiative led by the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, or PHIVOLCS. Its goal is to be the country's main source of information for risk assessment and to help the government increase the nation's resilience to natural hazards. There are 3 platforms under GeoRiskPH. Hazard Hunter PH, which shows initial seismic, volcanic, and hydrometeorological hazard assessments for specific locations. GeoAnalytics PH, which performs in-depth analysis and visualization of a locale's potential exposure to natural hazards. And GeoMapper PH, which collects hazard and exposure information to ensure that the database is accurate and timely. GeoRiskPH is a tool that can aid our local government units in the conduct of climate and disaster risk assessment for hazard and risk-informed policymaking and planning, including the local DRRM plan. Through the use of the government's multi-hazard central database system, LGUs can have a more accurate and timely understanding of the hazards and risks within the community. This will help local governments reduce their community's vulnerability and ensure their people's safety. Let's continue working together in building safer, more adaptive, and disaster-resilient Filipino communities.